Hey! Check this out. I don't know what this is. This is, I believe it's hardwood. I found it. And it is going to turn into a couple of cigar box guitar necks. This is going to be the wood that I use. I'm going to cut it down and I'm going to show you how I use some hand tools and shape it. That's what this video is mainly going to be about. It will be for a 2-series cigar box guitar build that I will be selling. Fretless electric slide guitars. Right-handed for all of those who are wrong-handed. Anyway, I got some questions on how I do certain things, and I thought I'd do a couple of videos on how I build these things, and I will leave links to the appropriate people and channels that I got my inspiration and ideas from, if not straight up ripping off how they do their things. But anyway, that's what this video is going to be about, so stay with me. Let's mill this down to some blanks, I guess you would call it, for some cigar box guitar necks. Let's check it out. Oh hey, so now we're down to the meat of this video. What I wanted to show you is how I shape the, for the not left-handed, but for wrong-handed people that play their guitar. I want to shape the back of this neck, and I've stolen a technique from a guy named Chicken Bone John. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel on how he does it. And he uses these tools basically to do all the carving and shaping before you go and sand it. That's how I'm going to do it and show you how I do that. This system here, this is a wood rasp, and it is called a microplane, and it's got all these, it's got round, square, and wedge, coarse and fine, and it's like a cheese grater for wood. How cool is that? Anyway, I'm going to use this to give me some, to notch one side, notch the other, and then use a Stanley spoke shave to remove most of the material in between. Get that nice round look that I'm going for. Let's check it out. So as you can see, I used the rasp to notch out a little bit of the wood at the base and at the top, the headstock. And then now I'm using this spoke shave, and I'm going to start taking off that edge right here. And I'm going to keep going on both sides until I get that nice round shape that I want. And you see, it's not too bad at all. So you keep just taking it off a little bit, and keep rounding it, and then when I'm almost done, I'm going to have a lot less sanding and filing to do. This is a way to remove material and give it the shape that you want, and still have a lot of control. And it doesn't take hours and hours and hours with a sander and a file trying to get that shape. So Alright, so I've got a pretty good shape going on here. So now at the base, I want to round this and make it look nice. So I'm going to take the square or the flat rasp, the coarse attachment, stick it on this guy, and I'm just going to break these corners. I'm going to round this off. So again, I'm trying to eliminate as much sanding as I have to, and then I'll measure what goes inside the cigar box, and we'll mark the frets and all that good stuff. But for the shaping of this, these tools, this microplane and a spoke shave, just saves a ton of time and gives you more of a sculpting ability, a carving ability, than trying to use a file or a sand it by hand or whatever. I'm just saying, I like this technique. It works really well. So again, I'm just going to break these corners here, round everything over like how I think it should look. Then we'll take the orbital sander and we'll just kind of go everything and smooth it out, and it'll be ready to go for the next step. So hopefully this was helpful to you. So this is what all that hard work was for. Check this out. This came out really pretty with a finish on it. It's shaped nicely. It's smooth. It looks really well all put together. Thank you for watching. I'm going to continue a series of build videos related to the cigar box guitar and how I do certain things. So keep an eye out for that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment. Tell me why you love me or hate me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share the video. I will appreciate it so much. This particular guitar will be on sale, by the way. Get a hold of me. I am making these things to sell now since they're wrong-handed. This feels really weird holding this right hand. It just feels wrong, but it's a right-handed guitar, so I'm making those. Also, check out the links below for where to find the microplane, the spoke shave, and a link to Chicken Bone John, who inspired me on my technique to shape the neck for this. It came out really pretty. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Check you out later.